Let me change this music over real quick. How's everyone doing this morning? How is everyone doing? Anyone get any trades so far? Anyone catch anything? Let me see. Yeah, what is that about, chat? Matrix attack again. Give me 1 sec. Let me try to fix this real quick. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Okay. I was literally testing it before stream. Come on stream, and I've been matrix attacked. Crazy. Absolutely crazy, guys. I need IT support over here ASAP. ASAP. What's good, dude? What's good, Unhearted, Eugene, Baron? How's everyone doing? How is everyone? Oh, we're back. Wait, what? Bro. Yeah, this is so weird. This is freaking me out. You can see my camera, right? And it looks like I'm not there, but I'm sat in front of the screen. What? Look, it says on the camera that I'm not there. I'm literally sat here in front of the screen. What's going on? Oh, that's so... Am I dead? Am I still alive? Bro, what? Yeah, someone tell me what's going on. Bro, I'm right here. What? Chat. No, you're a wizard, Harry. That's crazy. How can it be saying that I'm not there? That's nuts. Chat, my bad. Apologies. You're gonna have to bear with me, but what is going on? Okay, now it's working on here. What's good, guys? What's good? Restart your camera or unplug it. I did. Let me try this. I've got no clue. I've got absolutely no clue why this is doing that. SG, are you here with us? Buy or sell, bro. Trust me. Yeah, does anyone know how to fix this? What is this bug? This is the weirdest bug I've ever experienced in my life. Crazy. What? Well, you can just be a ghost for today then. I can't be a ghost for the whole screen. That's crazy. That is unreal. OBS, yeah, it's glitchy as shit. Got an idea. I'm gonna screen record the fucking thing. Yeah, this works. But how do I... This is crazy. Yeah, my bad. Just bear with me a sec. This is ridiculous. Why is my camera not working? Why is it always us too? So strange. Yeah, I'll send out the Zoom link too in a sec. Just give me 1 second. Sorry guys, I was trying to fix that real quick, but that is super weird. Give me a second. I need an IT guy. We're gonna have to sort that out very soon. Right. What the... Chat, anyway, how are you all doing? Anyone catch any trades today? Anyone catch anything? If not, I hope you still had a good morning. Hope everything worked out well for you. All that good stuff. I'm in a trade right now. What you in, Nicola? What are you in? It's nuts. Crazy, absolutely crazy, chat. Nothing looking at gold, onions potentially. Yeah, fair enough. How do I crop this out? How do I crop this window on OBS, chat? Anyone know? Why is face cam like this? What's good at DTR? Face cam is like this because for some reason, if you look at my webcam, it says that I'm not there, but I'm literally sat right in front of it. So I have absolutely no clue why that is. Like, look, I'm here, but on the OBS, it's showing me not being there. We got Ghost SG. Try restarting your OBS. Won't that cancel stream though? Won't that make me stop streaming? Yeah, I don't want to stop streaming. Alright, chat, I'll restart. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, I'll restart. Yo. Yo, we back? Oh. Let's get it. Bosh. Absolute bosh. Win, chat. Absolute win. Whoever said that, you're the GOAT. You're the absolute GOAT. Thank you. Open my window real quick. Legends. Absolute legends. Chat, we're here. I'm not a ghost anymore. I'm not a ghost. Bro, that was so weird. I can't even lie. It was like we were looking into some next dimension because it was all dark and like the room was all dingy and everything. Bro, what? That's crazy. Crazy. What's good, everyone, then? How are we all doing? Good to finally see you in person. OBS records while you sleep, bro. Nah, I turn the webcam off when I go to sleep. Like, disconnect it or whatever. Yeah. Fun that. Crypto Maniac, Yan, what's good? Ryuzaki, good morning. How's everyone doing? The camera's in the upside down world like Stranger Things. Indeed it was. Chat, let's get into gold. Let's do this analysis real quick. We're a little bit late, so I want to jump into that right now. So we were actually discussing this in the group last night, in the coaching group. I did a little breakdown again. But essentially what we're looking at here is the weekly should now come up and fill this wick. I do expect it to fill this wick. 80% of the time it does do that, right? When we have a bottom wick and then a flip, it should fill this wick, which is good. We can take advantage of that for sure. Yesterday's daily candle closed above the most recent high, right? We closed above the most recent high, obviously a bullish indicator. We are now coming down to tap the zone. Now, we discussed yesterday in the group as well that we'd come down to about, I think we said 2365 actually, but we've come near that area right now and tap that level. So that should be a good enough amount of liquidity for us to now continue to the upside. I'm not looking for sells here at all. I know you might be thinking it's closing below the range, whatever. I don't care. I don't want sells here at the minute. So yeah, that's just how you get caught out so easily. This is quite clearly, to me at least, I mean, I could be wrong, but quite clearly a bottom wick for the daily. The 4 hour has an hour and 15 minutes left till it closes. For all we know, it could still flip at that point. It could also close bearish. We don't know. But yeah, all we need to know is that I do believe we are grabbing liquidity for the daily at the moment. Now, on the 1 hour, what can we look at in terms for buys? Now, we can be aggressive with buys today, if I'm honest. If we do close back into this level up here at 2381, then that is going to be good for us to have buys. There's not enough structure for us to take anything down here yet, I do believe. But what we will do, actually, I'll drop to the 30 for the levels, just because that makes a lot more sense for us. What we will do is we can say if we have any, onion plays forming or any of that stuff, then we can begin to take some buys to continue back up to this top of this range. So we'll take a look at that for sure. If we get an onion play, then we'll be looking to take advantage of that, definitely. Now, anything above this range as well is going to be further buys, but obviously we don't need to worry about that until that happens. It's just whether or not we come up to, get a position here or not first, or if it just drives straight through, if that makes sense. Now, sells, we'll probably take some sells if we do end up closing below here at 23.65. That makes a lot of sense to me, if I'm honest. If we close back into this range, we should expect to fill it down to at least 23.53 or even 23.47. But as you can see, we look to be rejecting a little bit here, so we'll maybe not. We'll wait and see what happens on some closures before we do that. That makes sense to you guys, chat? So essentially, we're looking for buys above 23.81 and sells below 23.65. That's all I'm looking at, if I'm truly honest. There's not enough structure for me to do anything else at the moment. I don't want to take anything on this 30 flip. These sells aren't good for me, in my opinion. Yeah, I wouldn't want to take that, but that's what we're looking for today. W analysis, thank you, Speon. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. Cool, chat. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Let me do some, I'll do the EURUSD analysis real quick, just in case. Why no for sells? It's not no for sells, we just need to come down and close below. But these sells here, I mean, this is a minor level here that we've closed below. But in reality, that was so British. In reality, everything has closed above before this. The 4 hour closed above. The daily closed above. I believe, yeah, the previous 1 hour closed above. So yeah, I just don't want to take that, if I'm honest. This could easily flip up and just be a liquidity grab for the continue upwards. Pretty simple. But yeah, that's what I expect this to be. We want to get positioned in buys for the continuation upwards. What's good, Craig? How we doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Having webcam problems, are we? Crazy. Lord Voldemort's back. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, because of the daily, because of the weekly, because of the 4 hour, Nicola. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll do a EURUSD analysis just because we took a trade on it yesterday. We took a win in the signals on EURUSD. So on the weekly, we are bearish overall. I do expect us to continue coming downwards. We did close below the most recent level over here, so we should continue downwards here. Now on the daily as well, same sort of thing. This daily has now closed and tapped into the level though, which is something that might be an issue. However, everything overall is still bearish. Now the 4 hour, same sort of stuff with Doji at the minute. We've got an hour and 10 minutes left. Looking at 4 hour support, we are sort of at a level right now. However, we did close below that level on the previous 4, I think. Yeah, we did. So everything shows that we should still come down. What can we do for that then? We can look at the let's look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour and we can see a level here. Let's see if it works to the left. If I scroll about a million years. Yeah, that works for me. So anytime we close below here, we should push down a little bit to at least these areas here at 105.923. Yeah, so that's going to be where we take sales below. It's pretty clean traffic, I'm not going to lie, below here. We need some liquidity being grabbed though, which is good that we're doing that now. And then for buys, we're probably going to be looking up here at 106.302 in terms of buys. Make sense, guys? Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. Pretty simple analysis, obviously, but I like to keep it simple. I think a lot of people in this space overcomplicate the game, and yeah, no need to do that. gbpjpy. I don't trade that, brother, so I can't really do an analysis for you. Let me see. Just in a range, to be honest. You need closures above, like, at least this area here. 192.5. Ideally, closures above 192.8. You should be good to go. I wouldn't look for sales, really. Unless it's... Actually, sales probably below 191.6. That's what we're looking at, chat. On gold and EURUSD there. So, now all we have to do is wait for these closures. Wait for the volume to come into the market, which hopefully it does. Yesterday, we stayed on stream till quite a bit later, which is fine. We can do the same again today, if we need to. If that plays out, then yeah, that's what we'll do. Any questions, chat? Anything you wanna discuss or wanna ask? Pix letter analysis. Bullish, heavily bullish on the Pix letters. Heavily bullish. 100% win rate. Yeah, but chat, leave a like for that analysis if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. Coming up on an 18 win streak now. So that's gonna be pretty nice if we do get that. Obviously, win streaks don't matter. Who cares? But yeah, just a nice little track, you know. Cool. Let's see. There's not much volume at the minute, if I'm honest. The 5. Yeah, look at this, bro. This is not ideal. Not ideal for the volume at the minute. You know, bit of a barcode sort of pattern going on. I don't really want to trade that. I'd rather trade when the volume picks up. I don't want to trade these, like, you know, 5 pip moves or whatever it is. Yeah, it's moved like 8 pips. 30-minute candle. As I say that, it starts moving. But yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, chat. But yeah, cool. I think there's a lot of potential today, guys. There's a lot of potential. So make sure, you know, you get comfortable. Get yourself a coffee or some sparkling water. And then, yeah, lock in with us. Lock in with us for sure. But, yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, also, I wanted to say, follow me on TikTok. I'm going to start basically responding to... I'm going to start pumping out a lot of TikTok content. Like daily. Like multiple videos daily, I would say. So let me just get that link for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to basically be replying to every question that anyone asks on my comments. I'll reply in video form. So... Let me just copy this. But yeah, so that's going to be a good place if you do want to ask me a question and like get a video answer, almost like Cameo, you know, but free. So follow me there. It's pretty free, obviously, but you know what I mean. Just sent it in chat. It should send soon. Yeah, there you go. I'll pin that real quick. Cool. I want gold to go back to 1900 to 2100, back to the nice data. Yeah, bro. No, I understand that. I understand that completely. Looks like it might right now for you. No, I'm joking. But I'm not gonna lie. Everyone keeps saying that they want, you know, different. They want it to come back down or whatever. I like these all-time highs. I think that's really easy to trade it. I think it's really easy to trade it. Whoa, we got some volume here. Again, chat, nothing we can do, right? No FOMO or anything like that. Absolutely no FOMO. If we do get a closure on the hourly in 4 minutes below here, we'll look to take some sells. Stops are going to be... What are stops going to be? Oh. Maybe we can use the 30 for stops. Then it'll be still 100 pips, but it's a little bit less. Jeez. Chris R, what's good, bro? How's it going? I'm very good. How are you? How are you doing? Chat, we're growing so fast as well. I think we're about to come up on 1.5k subs, which is nice. Very nice. So I might be in trouble for the giveaway, guys. I might be in trouble. Yeah, I might lose that bet, but we'll see. If we get to 2k by the end of April, I'll give away a lot of funded accounts. Also, with the TikTok link that I just sent in, with that link, if you comment a question underneath it, the best question will win a week's free signals. So, yeah, I'm going to type that out, actually. I wanted it to be caps, but I didn't. There you go. Bro, why is that link so long? Yeah, so I'm giving out a week's free signals, essentially, because I want to get you guys to comment and follow the TikTok. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, it's gonna be good, guys. And sorry, I was multitasking. I can't really talk and multitask. Should be good for some closures here, guys. Though should be good for some closures. So if we can look to come below, grab a top wick and then flip, we'll take some sells. Should be good to fill the range, I believe. So where would we look for take profit and all that stuff? Probably look to go break even at, to be honest, we'll use this area here, this minor rejection level here, as the break even. There is a very decent potential that it just does drive through here, guys. So no FOMO or anything. No FOMO. I mean, it's pretty much just driven through, as I said that. Yeah, no FOMO though. Make sure we stay locked in, stick to the plan. Good thing as well is that we can, if we do come up and close back above, we can take that fake out to continue to the upside. That would be an excellent play as well. So what that would look like would be something like this, right? We would look for, is this gonna work? Yeah, okay. We'd look for this candle to come back in up here after closing below, and then we can take that onion play or the fake out to come back up and fill that range. That would be a very good RR play. Stops would be probably here, and then yeah. But if that does form, we'll take that. If the sells do form though, we'll take them as well. So, well, not as well, but instead. We'll see how this closes though, guys. We'll see. Nice little onion play on the 5 minute here. But the 1 hour is opening, so we need to use the 1 hour as our key time frame rather than dropping down to the lower time frames. What's good, Dion? How we doing, bro? How we doing? What do you reckon, guys? We're going to close below or above? Lock in. Indeed. Lock it in. Doing great, thanks. Took a beating last night, but let's go. What, in trades or an actual beating? Hopefully just in the market. But, yeah. All good, man. Which either way, you can recover from it, right? I believe. One minute here, guys. Lock it in. Lock it in. Crazy, we might close above here, guys. The 5 minute onion would be tempting if we did close strongly bullish. I would probably be okay to take that, as long as we formed a bottom wick first. But it doesn't look like we're even going to close doji or bearish on here, so it looks like we might just get nothing. We'll see though. 20 seconds. Does seem as if it wants to reject though, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Liquidity grabbed, indeed, but we need to close bullish and then grab a bottom wick. What are we looking at here? Sick. Excellent, guys. That's really great. Classic. Yeah, that is classic. What is that? Why does it... That doesn't even make any sense, guys. That doesn't even make any sense. Like, why would it shoot up randomly like that when there was no volume on this candle? That's tough. Yeah, I'm going to call it here, chat. That's the stream over. No, I'm joking. But that is outrageous. Absolutely outrageous. Wow. Okay, fine. Fine, we ball. We move. Is what it is, right, chat? Absolutely is what it is. So We have to wait for some closures here. But now the issue that we have here is that the 1 hour has no bottom wick. So at any given point, this can just flip down. I'm not saying it will, because I think we've grabbed liquidity and continue to push up here. But tough. Yeah, that's okay, guys. All right, no worries, no worries. Lock it in. No, yo, what's good? What's good, Ranko? How we doing, bro? How we doing? Yeah. So that doesn't matter, guys. No, no emotions behind that or anything. We didn't miss out. There was no trade, so we didn't miss anything. But just a bit of a dodgy opening. So we'll wait and see for some closures. See if we can take anything. And yeah, continue to stick to the plan, basically. What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah. Nah, all good, chat. All good. How's everyone doing for April so far? This is a question. We're into Q2 now. How's everyone started off? We in profits? What percentage are we looking at? Hopefully you guys' accounts are doing well. I think April's been a good month so far. For me it has. But I mean for price action in general. I think it's been a good month. What do you guys think? What do you think? What's up, Goldie? What's good, Maleko? How you both doing? Good to see you in the streams. What's good? What's good? What's good? A lot of volume here, though, guys. So that's at least a good sign that there is volume coming in. That's obviously very important. So yeah, let me see. That bottom wick now might be an issue for us, so we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But we did close right at the level, and we have grabbed liquidity, so it's very possible that we can just continue to push up here without a bottom wick. I do believe. I took a beating last night trading with Don. Yeah, crazy. That's tough, bro. That's tough. Yeah, I was looking at that trade, but it didn't fill the it didn't meet my plan because it filled the range already. So I didn't want to take that. Didn't want to take that. It was here, right? Yeah, I think my level was here, and we came down and tapped that level already. So then once we've tapped that level, we've already grabbed the liquidity and the orders from there. So I can't take sales once we do that, unless we come and break below this level now. I can't do that. So what I would say is, if you come down, in my opinion, if you come down and tap your level, so this is my level, crazy. This is my level for yesterday. If you already come down and tap that, you need to close below it. The wick fill isn't valid in my opinion because you've already grabbed the liquidity. So this is an exact example of what could happen right now. So we came down and tapped the level with a wick, drove up, no bottom wick. The same thing could happen right now. Essentially just a mirror of these two areas. Quite possibly, right? So we could have the same sort of thing. Come down, tap the level, drive up. Come down, tap the level, drive up. See how we tapped into this liquidity zone right here? Grab liquidity from this area multiple times, and we've now done it again. So I mean, it's possible that we drive down because we are quite bullish, but yeah, oh, sorry, bearish, but I do believe that that is entirely possible that we do push up as well. Morning, Bedge. What's good, bro? How we doing? Let me shut this window. People mowing their lawns and shit. Yeah, what's good? How you doing, Veg? And Malenko and Victory Settings. What's everyone doing? Hopefully you're all having a good morning to start to your day. Yeah, that's why I didn't take it either. Normally do like a wick fill, but already filled the range. Exactly. That's like number one key concept, alright? Key concept of our strategy is we've already touched the range, so we don't trade it. Cool. Let's see, we got, how long do we have? We have 8 minutes now to this 15-minute closure. See how it closes. Maybe we can grab a 15-minute onion if we come down. If we came down, grab the bottom wick for the next 15 and then flipped, then we could take that. But I have to wait and see how the close is. If we close above this level as well, I do believe we should be good to continue upwards. I do believe. Is the 2361 your wick fill range? 2361. Oh, this line. No, so this, sorry, I'll delete this now, but this was our, if we close below, it would have been our break even level. It was just a rejection, a minor rejection area that I would have put my stops to break even on. But obviously we haven't closed below yet, so I'll take that away for a minute. If we do then come and close below, I'll put it back. Yeah. Interesting price action on the 5-minute. Wow. Bottom wick being formed, no top wick on this 5. Could be an indication that we are bullish. Could also be an indication that we're bearish. Price is showing both directions right now. There's no clear direction, right? The no top wick on the previous 5 shows that there's no range to continue upwards. But then we've grabbed the bottom wick and we're starting to flip. So we just need to wait and see here, chat. We need to wait for direction, wait for closures. That's what we'll do, right? That's what we'll do. $23.63.5 was my buy limit, but deleted the order as we came close to the 1 hour closure, and then no bottom wick opening, so no entry. Yeah, all good, bro. You didn't miss anything, right? You didn't miss anything because you didn't get an entry, so doesn't matter. On to the next one, right? Keep hunting. All that you can do. What's the US 30 saying? Bearish, I believe. We closed below. Oh, we closed respecting that level. That's interesting. The US 30 could end up pushing up here. It could flip. This could be a liquidity grab. We've respected this level. Or it could be a continuation. The weekly is heavily bearish. So we'll see. Oh yeah, Nas did break structure. You're right. Nas did break structure. Wow. This trade would have been so nice. This retest here on the 15. Bless me, chat. Yeah, this retest on the 15 would have been real nice. Crazy volume. Okay, chat. So the hourly has flipped here. Can we either grab a bottom wick and flip back up, or can we get some closures below? Let's see. Gesundheit, danke. Yeah, crazy. So we're closing respecting the level. The 15 is closing in 5 minutes. See how that does. We do now have a bottom wick for the hourly. Obviously, only a tiny one. We'll see what happens though, chat. We'll see how we get these closures. If we get a 15 close below here, we can also probably take that if it forms correctly. Let's say that we get the 15 closure like this. We've grabbed a lot of liquidity already. Get a small top wick and then drive down. That could be good. Or if we get a strong 15 bullish closure, we'll take the onion to go up. One day, chat. One day we're going to have to lose on stream. Just so you guys know. When it happens, I want to see who stays real and who doesn't. It's going gonna be interesting. I hope that day ain't today. Yeah, me too, brother. Me too. What's good, champ? What's good, Jar? Aditya, I've seen you already. Raze, what's good? What's good? What's good? Winners win, indeed, bro. Indeed. Winners win. What can I say? It's all good, bro. Just woke up and shit. Nah, all good, bro. All good. What do you mean I've seen you already? Well, I just said hi to you, but I've already said hi to you, so I just meant I've seen you in here. Oh, body shot. Crazy. Yeah, but big things coming to trend lines, right? Big things. So I'm going to start posting. I'm going to pump out TikTok content a ridiculous amount. A ridiculous amount. I'm going to start posting more on YouTube. I've got a schedule now. So hopefully I'm going to be posting twice a week on YouTube, which is going to be nice. Then on Instagram, it's going to be the same, but more. And sorry, I was reading. Yeah, and more personal content too, more trading stuff. And yeah, can't wait, guys. Can't wait. Yeah, how's it going with your clothing brand? Good question. It's coming. It's coming, but the manufacturers are, well, one of the manufacturers messed me around, so I need to find another one. The designs are all done, but yeah, the manufacturers are not the easiest, because what we want to do is very complicated, right? They're not simple, just they're not just simple like print on demand or, you know, screen printing garments. I've got like crazy designs with like custom zippers. I've got like stuff going across the whole shirt, all that stuff. So like it's just super difficult for them to do. So I might have to go to an overseas manufacturer, like a Chinese one or Vietnamese or something like that, and get it done. So I might have to fly out there, make a little vlog out of it. But yeah, it's gonna be sick. W, love your energy. Appreciate you, Dion. Yeah, energy's an important thing, right? Energy's a very, very important thing. If energy's not right, then I don't want to deal with you. Oh, Francesco, what's good, bro? What's good? How you doing? Yusha, big plans. Yes, sir. Big plans. Stay locked in with us, guys. Truly. This is gonna be I mean, obviously this is only the very, very, very beginning. We've just started. Realize you forgot to get me that blue name in it on your chat. Okay. I got you. Oh, can we close with the top wick, please, on the 15? Yeah, lock it in here. Sorry, my bad. 15's closing in 20 seconds. If we close with the top wick and then we get a bottom wick on the next 15 open, then I will look to take buys here. Mad. Why did my MT5 show up on that screen? It's been on that other screen the whole time. Crazy. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Can we close with a wick? We did. We come down here. I need a decent bottom wick here, chat. I'm not gonna lie. We come down a little further. No, we can't. Yeah, that's tough. I was looking to take that, but it just wasn't enough of a bottom wick for me. Three pip bottom wick. I was debating taking it, but just not enough for me, if I'm honest. Just not enough for me. Yeah, chat, that's tough. That's tough. Let's see. No FOMO here, guys, though. That's not in our position, right? We probably would have been break even already. No, maybe not. We'll see what happens here. But that's okay. We can always wait for the 30, right? Especially with the 1 hour no bottom wick, really. We can always wait for that 30. yeah, it just wasn't it really. That wasn't it. But let's stay locked in here, guys. There's a lot of potential right now. A lot of volume, a lot of potential, all that stuff. So make sure you stay locked in. We've got 13 minutes this closure now. If we can close decently, even like this would be great. Then we'll continue to we'll take that trade essentially. I'm definitely looking for it though. Vito, what's good? Yeah, fake breakout. Yeah, essentially it was a fake breakout. I do think we can grab this on the 30 though. No FOMO, obviously, and we're not going to force anything. So let's see. The reason why I didn't take that, guys, and I would have taken it if the bottom wick was stronger, but because we have no real bottom wick on the 1 hour, the 15 time frame isn't the strongest for me. Yeah, we probably would have hit break even there. I'm not gonna lie. What if I take the onion in the 5? Worst thing taken on the 5. The 5-minute onion has only ever got me in trouble, I think. Well, actually, that's not true. That's not true. The 5-minute onion can be good. If we use it along with other higher time frame structure, then yes, it can be good. But if you don't, then you're in trouble. If you just use it randomly, then yeah. But if you say, for example, you get a 1 hour wick and then it forms a 5-minute onion for the wick entry, that's a play that I've been taking a lot, sample sizing, then yeah, for sure. Stay locked in here though, chat. No FOMO. Yeah, I don't think, to be honest, not a problem. Quick coffee, yeah, all good. All good. A lot of potential here though, chat. This 30-minute onion as well is going to be a much stronger confirmation. So essentially we can be more confident in the trade on the 30. Make sense to you guys? Hopefully that makes sense. You take the last 30 of the 4 hour. Yeah, I will take the last 30 of the 4 hour, yeah. Not the last 15 though, but last 30, yeah. So I'll take that. And the reason why that is as well is because, especially being in buys, we could, if this 4 hour is closing bearish, we could expect the top wick to be made. So even if we are still in the trade for that, which I doubt we will be, if I'm honest, normally we're not in trades for 30 minutes or above, but if we are, then our stops are probably going to be below the 4 hour low anyway. And yeah, so if we did break that low, then it'd be invalid even on the 4 hour. But if we make that top wick, get some volume on the close, then we've got even more potential. But yeah, if it was like the last 15, then I'd probably stay out. Well, good question, bro. Good question. Welcome to the chat too. What you guys hitting at the gym today? What you guys training? I've got a big chest day with Mr. Yannick. Hopefully my shoulder's recovered. Hopefully my shoulder is recovered. Been taking some BPC, guys, to recover the shoulder, and yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. City Tuesday, indeed. I've been DVS for a while, bro. Just came in your stream for the first time. Where you been, bro? You been slacking? I'm joking. Welcome. Yeah, man. So we've been streaming for what? 2.5 months, 3 months now, something like that. Yeah, it's decent, right? Undefeated so far. Take it slow, better to wait than get hurt. Yeah, true, but I want a bench. I do calisthenics on the beach, crazy. Bro's living the dream. I don't really watch streams, bro. I just do my own thing. I just hop on to not feel so lonely. Yeah, bro. Nah, all good. I'm just playing. Welcome there. I'm glad to have you. And yeah, that's a good point. You know, you don't want to just be copying people and you don't know what's going on. I know a lot of people, especially like since Forex became so popular. Yeah, everyone just comes on, copies trades, and if the person loses, they get really pissed off. But yeah. That's not ideal, right? And also, yeah, it can like conflict with your analysis, because if I'm saying one thing, if I'm saying don't take sells here, or I wouldn't take sells here, and you're thinking I'm looking at sells, and then you trust me and don't take it, and then sells play out, you're gonna be annoyed, right? Or vice versa, you know. So make sure you do your own thing first, and then obviously come here for the education and all that stuff, and the analysis too, to be honest. But make sure you do your own thing also. Sweet brother, fellow UK trader here. Nice. I think you asked where. I'm just outside London, so nice, but good. Yeah, good stuff. There's a lot of UK traders here, to be honest. I'm trying to be, guys. We are gonna be the UK and EU's biggest group. You know, we're gonna be the UK and EU's biggest trading group, 100%. To take over the EU market. It's untapped right now. It's untapped. Big fan, bro. Yeah, what's good, Nav? How we doing, brother? How we doing? Yesterday took 5th entry with Don, 5th loss in 2 years. Every time I took entry off Don signal, made loss. Thinking astrology problem. Same birthday, 10th April. Crazy. I don't know what to tell you, brother. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe stop taking signals. I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely not astrology either. South African trader here, lol. Oh, good stuff, man. There's a lot of South Africans too. A lot of South Africans here. I know Big Jan's South African. I think Ranko is too, I believe. Central Europe, Malenko. What's good? We'll do a EU meetup at one point. We'll do it somewhere nice in Europe when everyone's got a shitload of payouts or a shitload of accounts run up. We'll do an EU meetup. Friendlines meetup. What is that flag? So the first one's Russia, obviously. The second one is... no clue. In Germany, it's the Central Europe. Bro, I've just come back from Germany. I'm not going again. Well, no, I will go again, obviously, very many times, but... I don't know. Lithuania, crazy. Nice, good stuff, man. Nice. Hola, trend lines. What's good, Gilbert? How we doing? How we doing? How dare you? Poland. Yeah, nice. You Polish people in here. So yeah, EU really is the wave then. We'll do an EU meetup somewhere. Or even London, but Central Europe is probably nicer. We could go to... I don't know, Bucharest or Brussels, some shit like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Or London, yeah. London's a good one. But I want to go. I want an excuse to put a trip on the business, you know, on the business credit card. So yeah. I'm head out here, gang. Good luck to you all. Yeah, see you in a bit, champ. See you in a bit, bro. Madrid, yeah, Madrid's a shout, you know. We could do Spain, we could do Barcelona, some shit like that. Or Madrid. I like Marbella though. Really and truly. Marbella meetup. Better go Belfast, yeah, sure. Sure, run it. Why not? I don't drink, so weed clubs are the one. Is there weed clubs in... Mad. Ibiza, yeah. We could run Ibiza. Go to an El Clasico. Crazy. In Germany too now, huh? Germany just legalized weed as well. That's the last thing I thought the Germans would do. You guys, you can't even cross the road if there's not a green light, but you guys can smoke now. Crazy. Bro, I was in Germany at a crossroads, right? Literally at a crossroads, like this. I was with my girl waiting to cross. And I literally, there was no cars anywhere near, like, I couldn't even hear a car. It was that much. And then I went to cross and she was like, no, you can't cross because if you get caught, you'll get a ticket. I'm like, what? You're telling me I can't cross the road until a light tells me to do that? That's crazy. That's crazy. SG come South London for a holiday. Yeah. Trip to Brixton or what? I don't even know if that's South London, I can't lie, but trip to Peckham or somewhere. Run it. Holland is the same, bro. You get a fine for crossing a red light. Yeah, that's crazy. Chat, we've got 2 minutes here. Can we close with a top wick, please? Otherwise, I'm going to be really, really angry. No, I'm joking. Come on, stop playing. Everyone to Milano, Italy. True, we could do Streatham in South London, yeah. We could do Florence. Florence. I prefer Florence to Milan, I'm not going to lie. Francesco, I'm sorry to say that. Is there... Yeah, true. Now that was obvious because the government just want to make people dumb. Yeah, they want the money. He's not happy about that. Chat, we need to close the top wick here. We had no more friends. Bro. That made me sad. Oh, good. Milan's beautiful as well. I'm not going to lie. It is beautiful. I had a bad experience with Milan there. I got stuck there for ages. The trains and shit were cancelled or whatever it was, and I was stuck there. Oh, good. Chat, 1 minute here to this closure. All we need is a top wick on this candle. It doesn't look like we're going to get one. Maybe. So, we need a bottom wick and then a top wick and then... Sorry, a top wick formed and then a bottom wick on the open and then we'll get in that trade, for sure. For sure. It's a clean little onion coming up. Hopefully, it should be a good positive IRR trade. These stops can be below this low, I believe. And then TP will be at the very top of the range. Lock it in here, chat. 30 seconds to this closure. 30 seconds. Let's see what we do here. Let's see what we do. $15 seconds here. So it looks like we're going to close with a top wick. Which is nice. Oh, did I speak too soon? Hopefully not. Can we grab that bottom wick then? We opened with a top wick. We didn't break the highs yet though. Let's see, can we come down here? Chat. Not ideal. Not ideal. Let's see. Can't take that, chat. That's tough, you know. But listen, stay disciplined. We can't take that yet. If we come down now, make a big bottom wick, we can take the rebreak of the high. But we have to make a big bottom wick because we broke the highs first, right? So, yeah, that's just tough, chat. That's just tough. What can you say, eh? What can you say? Oh, well. We move on to the next one, right? On to the next one. Yeah, I'm not one of these guys, right, that's gonna not practice what they preach, right? So many traders, I've seen even like big traders now, they'll tell you one thing and do another thing. It's like, what? Like, how can you do that? How can you tell people not to over risk, take one trade a day, don't revenge trade, and then you do all that stuff? Like, stay in risking 1%, 2%, and then, like, you know, risking way more, risking whole accounts and shit. It's just not. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. I'm gonna stay, you know, stay true to my word, practice what I preach. I can't take this trade, so I'm not gonna take it on stream. This might run up as well. It very truly could run up here, but no bottom wick means I can't do anything. We can just sit and watch this run. No FOMO though, guys. No FOMO. Bad price action these days. No bottom wick, no top wick candles. Just continue. Indeed, indeed, indeed. It's okay though. It's okay. We are getting enough we are getting the setups that we need, right? Just not as often, you know. Some of the setups that are forming don't form just right, and that's okay. But we're getting at least, you know, one trade a day, so I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it, but just wish we could get that trade in on stream. Funny because last week in London session, last week when I was away, I got a trade every day in London session. But this week, we aren't getting any, which is sad because we would have had probably five trades on stream. But fine, not an issue, not an issue at all. W Discipline, Morgan, thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that very, very much. You don't have to do that, but I appreciate that very, very much. What a W guy. Yeah, leave a like as well. Appreciate it for the €2. W Discipline. What a goat. What a goat. How are you, bro? I'm glad you've been winning. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. I'm doing very well. I'm doing very, very well. How are you? How are you? We're just locked in, ready to elevate. Getting 1% better every day. All that matters. Should I long? Should I long? Long if you want, my brother. If you want to go long, go long. If you don't, then don't. It's a very simple technique. Cool, guys. But yeah, so listen, now probably what we're gonna have to do is wait for this 1 hour and the 4 hour close. Now we can take the same trade on the 1 hour still. We're just waiting for the same setups and it's not coming on each time frame. So we are gonna wait for the next 1 hour close. If you guys remember, I don't know if you were there, but if you guys remember, the 100 pip trade that we took. So this 100 pip runner that we did take, we were trying to take this one here. We were trying to take that on the 30-minute, and it didn't play out. And everyone was like, "Oh, not everyone, but some people were like, oh my god, why didn't you take that? It's gonna run now." All that shit. It went like 20 pips in profit, and I was like, nah, it didn't form properly. We can't take it. We'll wait for the 1 hour. And we waited for the 1 hour, and it formed again on the 1 hour. We took it and took 100 pips. So the moral of the story is, wait for the right setup, take it, get out. Discipline. Discipline. And I know you guys, like, we haven't had a trade in a while, but it is what it is, man. I'm not going to force anything, as I said. Gonna head to the gym, man. I'll be watching in the background. Yeah, all good, Race. Catch you in a bit. Catch you in a bit, bro. Yeah, interesting. I'm not sure. Well, I am sure why, but It's just interesting how we're not forming any wicks at the minute. Interesting. Might be time to start making adjustments to the strategy. It might be time to start sample sizing. We'll see. We'll see, but that might be the one. See what I said though, chat? I said that we could very likely push up on this 1 hour without a bottom wick because we mirrored that pattern. And what happened? We mirrored that pattern, right? Exactly like I said. We mirrored this price action to a T. Was this a 4 hour too? No, I don't think so. But yeah. So looking at previous mirrors is massively important, right? You can go back and see what's happened and what you can expect to happen again, or not predict, but what might happen again, let's say. I'm back. What's good, Aditya? How you doing? Welcome back. What did I miss? Nothing. We nearly got a trade, but it didn't form right. That's what you missed. Not nothing, actually. We spit some wisdom. But nah, yeah, it just didn't form right. Was Byron mod before? No, he wasn't. I made him mod like a couple of days ago. He's been helping me out with stuff in the background, and yeah, deserves it. So I made him mod. Cool chat. Yeah, but before this 1 hour close, make sure you leave a like if you haven't already. Let's try and get to 75 likes on the day. 75 likes would be great. We hit that yesterday, which was nice. We hit our target for the day. It really is helping to push the streams. Yesterday's stream got pushed like crazy after the fact. So you guys are killing it with that, and yeah, appreciate you all for the support. Cryptomaniac, just saw your GJ play. That's tough. That is tough. Looks like manipulation to me. Would you consider a buy on the flip if on gold? Would you consider a buy on the flip of gold if the next 4 hour taps into resistance and then rejects? Yeah, I'm considering buys on the 1 hour close 100%. So I don't even need to tap into the resistance. I just need a decent bottom wick and a flip, and I'll be in there. Or will be in there, let's say. But yeah, 100%. So listen, this is an onion play. I believe this was the level that we needed to tap into today in order for the daily to flip and continue upwards. I believe that. So we plotted this out exactly last night in the coaching group. You know, the coaching group daily calls. We discussed this. I believe this is the area that we needed to tap into. So once this 1 hour closes, grab some liquidity and continues to flip up, then we will take some buys to fill this range. Should be a decent play. That makes sense though, bro? Hopefully, right? But yeah. Cool. A lot of potential here, chat. So just stay locked in. Make sure you are ready as ever. If you have any questions about anything you want to ask me, right? We have 19 minutes now until this 4 hour close. So have some time if you want to ask me any questions about your strategy, anything that you're struggling with. Then I'm here for you. I'll answer anything. Hey, the course has been helping me massively. Thank you, bro. I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm very, very glad to hear that. That makes me happy to hear. So appreciate that, Ram Sammy. I'm glad that you're getting some education out of it. The next episodes will be coming. Oh, Eugene, it's exclamation mark course, by the way. You don't need to put free. It's just exclamation mark course. And then yeah, you get a link to the free course. Good shit there. Appreciate that. Would break even be at 2372, 2373 areas? Yeah, we'd probably look for around this wick fill. Or, let me see, I'd have to drop down to the lower time frames. Yeah, it probably would have been around here, but we're kind of filling that now. If we close above there, it'll be up here at 2377. Once we start to break these highs though as well, that's going to be an indication of us continuing upwards. So obviously basic market structure is this, right? We're making at the minute lower lows and lower highs. Once we come up and break and close above this area here, this is where our previous high is. Once we come up above here and close here, and then we get a retest and a push, a retest being a wick, right? The retest being a wick, not like a whatever, a conventional retest. Then that is an indication that we should come up. And once we come up to this level over here, I believe it's this level, somewhere around there, that is going to be the daily flip. And that is a massive indication that we just continue to the upside. That's what I want to get into. And if we do get in a trade and we get a good push, what we're going to do is we are going to try and hold some runners. Try and hold some runners for sure. So yeah, the daily flip is even lower, 2383. Okay, so that's like, yeah, here, crazy. Bro drew a heads and shoulders. No, that is not. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe it is a head and shoulders. I don't know. Just market structure, my friend. Is that head and shoulders? Let me see. Yeah, it is. It is. gbpusd, what a go. Thanks for being a G. Appreciate the explanation. No, I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Chat, you don't have to donate, but that is much appreciated. What a go. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, and the explanation, obviously, anytime. I got you. I got you. I got you. That might be a heads and shoulders as well, Crypto Maniac. That might be. gbpusd the goat. gbpusd is a cool ass name as well. I like it. Yeah, chat, let's see what happens here though. We got a 15-minute close coming in 1 minute. But yeah, see chat, look, now this gets interesting. So the 1 hour, sorry, not the 1 hour, the 30-minute now come down. We would have got hit break even, right? We would have taken it off the break of this high. We would have been break even right now. So again, no FOMO. That would have been a 0 pip trade. And it's a 0 pip trade for a reason, right? I don't think it's grabbed enough liquidity yet. If it doesn't break the neckline, then good short entry. Nah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Man, like price action is so much simpler to backtest than SMC and all those other complicated strats. SMC and ICT are just price action, support and resistance, with extra complications to be able to sell you shit. You understand that? Think about this. If I wanted to truly sell my mentorship right now, if I had a mentorship, I do, sorry. I have a mentorship, right? But I don't market it really. If I wanted to sell that mentorship even more, and I just absolutely rinse sales, what would I do? I'd say I have this super secret, complicated strategy that we use that no one else has. That's the inside algorithm of the market. And this is how the market works, and no one knows, and it's secret, and you can have it for just $999.99, right? But I don't buy it. I don't buy it. I don't buy it, man. Maybe I'm wrong. ICT says he made the algorithm. Yeah, he says he made the algo and then he can't take profitable trades on a live stream. What do you think about that? Like, I don't know. Interesting, to say the least. Bro's yapping, but I like some stuff. Yeah, no, I feel you. If it works for you, then listen. I don't hate ICT that much, but I don't. To be fair, I don't hate anyone, and I don't care if you trade ICT or not. It can work for people. But yeah, I just don't buy it. Knowledge is free for those who truly want to learn. They're just trying to make profits on poor people. Yeah, exactly. That's why we're here on stream for free, right? I think the key is, I've always said this, right? Oh, ICT X SG strat, crazy. That could work. It could work. Performance issues, crazy. I think the key is, I said this even before I was like a trade, like, you know, I don't want to say guru, but you know what I mean, like a big trader on socials and everything. Before I was that, I always said that if they give free value and then also have a paid thing, that's fine. So for example, like Don obviously has a course and all that stuff, but he streams every day for free. And yeah, obviously I have a mentorship and a coaching group and signals. But I stream every day for free, right? And most of my value comes for free. And I said this on my Instagram story yesterday, right? tell me another support and resistance trader in the industry that has a free course online. A good free course online. Tell me one. I don't think there is any. At least not any that I know about. So we're doing stuff differently here. We're providing way more value than anyone else is, in my opinion. Anyone else. I don't see anyone providing the amount of value that we are. So yeah. Stick around. People are going to realize that. Well, they obviously are already. We're growing super fast, but once the masses realize that, we're gonna rock it. We're gonna skyrocket as a community. Trade sharp. Okay, cool, fine. Someone else does do it, but the point stands, right? Crazy though. Ask Dr. Malik. You got a verified account. You got like 1 million subs or something. I don't even have a verified account. Check you out. What's good though, Dr. Malik? What's good? Welcome to the chat. Trade sharp has it, that's okay. Bro, what? You got 200k nearly. Crazy. You get hella views. Good shit, bro. Good shit, and welcome to the streams. Guys, got a chat. If you wanna, if you wanna figure out how to fix all this stuff, this guy's your man. 2.9 milli views. I might have to hit you up for that, my boy. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I don't suffer with that. Do you swing trade often? And if yes, what pairs do you swing trade? Good question, bro. And welcome to the chat as well. Yeah, I do swing trade. I swing trade gold. Not very often though. Only when the opportunity arises. So we had one swing trade that, to be fair, we didn't get activated in, but played out. Swing idea recently, and that was down here. I wanted buys exactly off this level here at 2186.3, and it came 7 pips away from that, and then it ran up. So we would have been sat 2,000 pips up right now, but yeah, doesn't matter, right? We'll get some swing trades soon, definitely. Still at chat now. There's 30 flips, so we would have been in drawdown right now if we took that trade. This is why we didn't take the trade. So you see, patience is very, very key. Gold only. Yeah, pretty much gold only for swings. Yeah. How can you stream so late and not London Open? I don't think the volume comes in on London Open, if I'm honest. I mean, it kind of does, obviously, like it did here, but I don't know. I like this period of time. I can stream earlier if people want. I can wake up a little bit earlier and stream, but yeah, we'll see. Morning, mate. How are you? What's good, Dan? What's good? How you doing? Good. What's good? Can I ask you how long did it take for you to be able to get a grip of the strats? I'd say 6 to 8 months. 6 to 8 months to get all the niches down and all the nuances and all that stuff. I'd say is enough time. But I'm a very fast learner, right? So, like, I've always been a fast learner. So it might take you longer, but that's not a problem. You might be a faster learner than me. You know, it might take you only a few months. We've got people in the coaching group that have been trading for not even that, right? Way less than that, and they're pretty much getting to the point where they're profitable now. So yeah, we're about to have some students pass the first funded accounts and everything. So should be good, man. Should be good. Rose McQueen, crazy. But yeah, nah. So that's a little ad for the one-on-one or the coaching group, because it does help speed up your process for sure. That's what I'd say as well. The value is there for free and the education is there for free. But if you want a little speed up, then join the groups. Obviously, optional. Like I said, it's just a little booster. I think, like a little turbo. But yeah, 100% agree. Good shit, Baron. Appreciate it. Interesting, chat. So 15-minute no top wick here. Pushing straight down. We have 6 minutes now until this 1 hour closure. Now, can we close a little bit stronger bullish, please? That'd be nice. But there's a lot of potential here, chat. So lock in. We've got 6 minutes. If we get a bottom wick on this 1 hour, we'll look to take some buys. We'll look to take some buys. Yeah, chat, if you do want to get a week's free signals as well, I know I said this earlier, but I'm going to plug it again. Look at the pin message up here. The pin message, you can get a week's free signals if you comment a question on my TikTok account on the most recent video. So if you comment a question on there, the best question is going to win a week's free coaching group and signals. So it's a pretty good deal, I think, just for a comment. It's not going to cost you anything. I'm trying to grow the TikTok, so that's why I'm doing that. I'm going to be running a shitload more giveaways very, very soon. I want to give back to you guys, basically. Let's see the chat. 5 minutes. Whoa. 5 minutes to this closure, chat. A lot of potential here, chat, so make sure you stay locked in. Leave a like if you haven't already. Let's try and get to 75 likes if we can. That'd be amazing. That would be, yeah, amazing. Is no bottom wick a problem? No. I don't think so, in my opinion. Especially not now that the 1 hour is closing, because we close, right? I said at the very start of this 1 hour open as well that I think we've tapped into the level that we need to before we come up. However, let's see. We'll see. We'll have to see what happens, because we are printing bearish market structure here, but we'll see. If we come up first, then potentially we can grab a top wick and the sells for the 4 hours to come down. We'll have to wait and see on that one. Stops on that though might be massive. Let me see. 200 pip stops. I'm not taking that. I won't take trades with big stops no matter what. $30 looks interesting. Let me see. Yeah, 30 does look interesting. It does. This trade will be based off the 1 hour though, more than anything. But yeah, you are right. It's just looking. We'll see. See how this close happens. The 5 might flip. The 15 might flip here. But remember, we want to be pulling back when the candle is opening, right? So we don't want to be pushing up when the candle opens, because that's when you get no top wicks and everything. We can close like this, that'd be nice. I'd love us to close like this, grab a bottom wick, and then we can put stops below. To be honest, I'd rather have stops below the 4 hour, just because the 4 hours closing too, right? So the 4 hour could very easily break its own lows and then come back up. If the 4 hour wasn't closing, then we'd have stops below the 1, but because it is, then that's what we'll do. Hopefully that makes sense. 3 minutes though, guys. Stay locked in. Stay sharp. In an American accent. Cool. Cool. So excited for this quarter, chat. I'm so excited. So much good big stuff to come. In the trading as well, not just in the community. Trading's gonna be huge. This is the scaling month for me. Scaling quarter, I'd say. So yeah. Let's see what the 4 hour can give. Yes, beyond. Let's see. Few minutes. If we can close like this, that'd be rather nice, I believe. Rather nice. If we close too bearish though, then it might be an issue. I need a coffee or something, chat. I need Mr. Eugene to go and make me something. The barista himself. Come on. Yeah, chat. Cool. 1 minute here. 1 minute. Stay locked in. If we can get to, let's see. If we can get to 75 likes before the closure, then I'm sure we'll get a trade. I'm 100% sure we'll get a trade if we get to 75 likes before the closure. My flat whites used to be goated. Crazy. One minute here. Raise, bro, how's the workout going? Are you already at the gym? What are you training? What are you training, man? Yeah, I might be taking a trip soon, very soon. We'll see. Not a trip, a business trip, sorry, to meet some people. I said yesterday I'm cancelling all trips. I can't be saying like the next day I'm taking a trip. No, not like that, not like that. 14 seconds to be closed here. Are we going to close? Let's see. Are we going to close strongly bullish? And are we going to get a bottom wick? So we closed here on the 4. And we are coming up first. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult, chat. I'm not going to lie. That's a little bit difficult. We didn't break the highs yet, though. So if we come down and make a bottom wick first, we could potentially take something on the break of the highs. But we need a big bottom wick now. I don't like it, chat. I don't like it. See what happens though. We've still got time. See if we can form something nicer. We haven't checked eurjpy in a couple of hours and it hasn't moved, so nothing to worry about there. 15 looks bearish. Yeah. No, it does. Let's see. Maybe if we come up and grab a big top wick and then flip, we can take the sells to come down on the 4. Maybe we can do that, but I'm cautious that is exactly the trade that a lot of people got drawdown from yesterday, so it's not really ideal for me. Volume also has just seemed to die off a little bit. Absolutely no clue why. What I'd like to see here is now if we can do something like this. We can now come down, tap into this level. If we could tap to that level, that'd be great. If we come down to like here, that'd still be okay. And then I want to see us flip up like that. And we take the break of this higher, but it's about to do it anyway. Let's see though, chat. If we do come up first and then begin to flip, then sells aren't a bad option either. Trying to see what the advantage point is for sells. I was thinking about this 15 wick fill, but it's only like 7 pips. For the break-even point. Yeah, it's tough. Very, very tough. Let's see. Still potential here though, chat. Lock it in. David Stam, what's good, bro? Are you funded or own capital? Both, bro. Both. So I trade with some funded and I trade with my own capital too. That's what I'd advise. I'd advise trading both. Have multiple accounts and you know, switch accounts as much as possible. So like not much as possible, but every trade you take, switch accounts at least. And then yeah. Use the fundeds to stack your live account. What you should do. Good question there, bro. Good question. Use the same risk on funded and live. Whole stream I had lock it in. Yeah, bro. Every closure we have to lock it in, but my bad. Do you use the same risk on funded and live? No, I don't. I probably use 5% risk on a live. No. I use a little bit more on my live, between 3 and 5%, I would say. And then on funded, I'm going for like 1% risk max. Yeah, 1% risk max. Would 23 to 73 be a good level to sell? Potentially. No, not for me. Not for me. I think we can just. I think we could come easily come up here. I think it's very possible that we just come up all the way. So, because of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my level to the 15-minute high. We close above there. We have some structure formed on the 15 now, right? If we close above there, we should fill up to the top of this level here. But yeah, at the minute it's just a little bit tough. The issue is, right, if I was taking this trade, if I was looking for sells right now, I would, this would be an onion, right? And I only really take onions with the bias. Okay, so I don't really take onion sells when we're bullish. And we're bullish right now, so I don't really like taking the onion sells. It's a part of my plan, and that's why my win rate's a little bit higher, I think. Yeah, what's this turtle soup thing? I keep hearing about it on Twitter, but I've got no clue what that is. Absolutely no clue. It's a type of order block. That's gay. Yeah. Oh well. Bro, whenever, like, all of that community seems so scammy to me. I'm not gonna lie. Turtle soup, also known as terrapin soup, is a soup or stew made from the meat of turtles. Yeah, bro. You got it. I meant more the trading concept, but yeah. I rate it, I rate it. When it sweeps liquidity and reverses and breaks and S2, I think. Oh, R2. No clue, mate. Yeah, I don't care either, it doesn't matter. Cool, chat, let's see. Let's see. I'm going to wait for one more closure. So if the 30 closes and the volume is like this, then we'll do some picks letters. But if the 30 closes above or starts to flip or anything, then we'll wait and stay for a bit longer. We love a bit of picks letters over here. Robbie, what's good, bro? Welcome back. How you doing? How's life treating you? How is life treating you? Oh, crazy. eurjpy is moving. Someone say picks letters. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We might get eurjpy buys here, guys. We might. Now, we'll have to see. We'll wait for one more closure in 20 minutes time. Still potential, though, for sure. God. Bro, with buys above, it's on a breakout of range 2. Is that still okay on gold, bro? We don't need range 2 for gold. We need range 1 because we are bullish on the daily. We're bullish on the daily, so range 1 is okay. But yeah, this is probably actually is range 2. It's a bit tough at the minute, chat. I can't lie. It almost mirrors Friday's push down. Yeah, I suppose it does, actually. I suppose it does. Trying to see if we can take sells here. Issue is, guys, stops are going to be massive. If we wanted to take sales, stops should be above the 4-hour high. Otherwise, I guess we can put them above here. Let's see. Yeah, chat, I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of this low here. I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of this low right here. I do believe if it does push down, we should be able to get a good bottom wick for the 4-hour. Stops are going to be up here at what is this? 2375.6. Take profit is just going to be at the bottom of this range here. 2365. Make sense to you guys? If we don't flip soon, or if we come off and break the high again, I'll delete. Because this 5 doesn't know the best. And that's okay, right? That's okay. But if the 5 starts to close and then we come down even further, then we'll leave it. Probably make sure to manage your own risk. Yeah, good point from Raze there. Make sure to manage your own risk. Let me put sell stop not activated. Put that in the middle. Bro, can you explain this sell, please? Yeah, I'm not in the sell yet, but we'll probably delete this actually. But it's based off of the 4-hour coming up, making a top wick and flipping down, mirroring this push from Friday. So this push down is essentially, yeah, just the mirror. We've made a top wick for the 4-hour and the 30. This should be a continuation to the downside for a little bit. We should make a bottom wick on the 4-hour. So essentially, we're just taking advantage of that. We're going to be quite aggressive with our stops to break even here. I think we might even go break even on the break of this low here, which will put us like 10 pips in profit or something. But that was the idea of the trade, Robbie. That was the idea of the trade. I don't think this 5 looks ideal. This 5 closes bullish, chat will delete. This 5 closes bullish, will delete. It'll also be the 15 bullish close. Yeah, chat, I'm going to delete these. I'm going to delete these sell stops. So, deleted there, guys. The reason is because there's no clear direction right now. If this 15 would have flipped, then fair enough. But now we're closing above. Okay? So, essentially, we're creating another high right now. There's a possibility that we can come down, tap this level, even come down a little bit further, but then flip up, right? So, because of that, we don't want to get caught in that liquidity grab. And it's very possible that, like we said earlier, this 1 just continues to push up without the wick. We discussed that happening, and it still can happen. So because of that, we're going to delete. We'll look for some buys if we close above in 30 minutes. In 15 minutes, sorry. So if we close above this level in 15 minutes, we will look for some buys. Also, yeah, as Raze has just sent in, right? If we if we don't get the trade now, it will be sent in the signals, so you can join that on the link that Raze just sent in. It's more of a coaching group actually than signals. Well, there is signals, but you know what I mean. The most valuable thing is the daily calls that we have. Daily calls that we have, and we go through everyone's trades, go through my trades, and it's just super valuable. Crazy education. For like $1 a day. Thoughts on the eurjpy 15 min closure? Oh wow. Yeah, nice. I don't really want to take that on the 15, but that's a nice closure. I didn't even look at eurjpy. That's actually my bad, chat, but I don't think we would have taken it anyway. We'll see if the eurjpy closes above on the 30 still, because we don't want to get caught in this fake out, right? Still, this 1 hour has just, you know, we wouldn't have taken that on the 15 either way, but because the 1 hour has still closed way in the range, and now it's just pushing for God knows what reason. But yeah, good reminder, Jules. Dushan Creolan, what's good, bro? What's good? That is pushing. Wow. It's actually only 3 pips. It was a bit of yeah, okay, a bit of Euro news. That makes sense. That makes sense. What's good, legends? What's good? Yeah, chat, look, we got a new bot for the signals. I want to show you guys. So essentially, whenever I place that order, straight away it's going to send a signal to the group. Obviously this was the one that we just had that got deleted, but yeah, it sends the order, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Then it sends deleted with a screenshot too. I like it. I like it. Pretty clean. Looks nice. Thanks, Spion. Cool, we got 11 minutes here, chat. Not long, not long. If we don't get the closure here, we'll jump off, play a bit of Pix letters, and I'll call the trade in the signals channel instead. That is really cool, yeah. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. It's sick. It does it all automatically as well, so even when I like change the stop loss and all that stuff, yeah, it's really nice. So much easier for me as well than typing it out. Cool. So. Yeah, look, USD rejected here. So. Good job we didn't take that. But. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord as well. Make sure you hop in there. Super free value. And yeah, man. All I can say. Hopefully all of you guys, if you do trade New York and everything, hopefully you guys can grab some positions there. If we don't grab anything now, that is. I'm sure that if this 30 closes above, we might be able to grab some positions. But chat doesn't know how to hit the like button. Crazy. Yeah, trader, what's good? How are you? Welcome to the chat. Yeah, chat doesn't know how to hit the like button. That's crazy. That's crazy. Nah, I think they do. But yeah, there's no clear direction for us right now on gold. There's no clear direction, so it's a little bit tough. We have 9 minutes disclosure. For all we know, this 15-minute could flip up and close above the range, so still potential. If not, though, we'll play our favorite Pix letters game and then we'll jump off. I've got to edit the course videos today, so hopefully I'm going to be posting the free course videos later today, or another day. But yeah, bro, I love you, man. You too, brother. You too. Peace. Yeah, no peace, no peace. Not yet. Not yet. We're not dipping yet. Jordy's eager. Bro's eager. Now, what's good today, Jordy? How are you? How we doing? Crazy. Might not even close in on eurjpy here. That's an interesting thing, though. We can look to take the fake out as well. So we can look to take this fake out if we come and close back into the range here on the 15, to expect this 1 hour to flip and then the daily to continue downwards too. Up 3.5% on phase 1. Jeez. Let's go, Ranko. I'm good. How you doing? All good. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Doing very, very well. Doing very well. Thank you very much. Bro, chat, my car's been in the garage for 2 days now and I haven't been able to go to the gym. So annoying. I need it back. I need Yan to come and pick me up. Tough, it's tough. A Lambo question mark. Yeah. I have 3 Lamborghinis, 2 Ferraris, and a G-Wagon. That's the daily driver. I'll get Sam to send the Rolls Royce. Yeah, send the pickup car. Yeah, trust me. In the Passat, crazy. What's wrong with the car? Nah, it's just getting an MOT. Just getting its MOT and like a service, basically. My face is puffy. Yeah. Nothing wrong with it. What is garage? I only have a car what I park on the street. Nah, bro. Like a mechanic. A mechanic, not just like in my garage. If it was in my garage, I'd just take it out and drive it, but the mechanics. Okay, chat, 6 minutes for disclosure, yeah. This would be a nice little trade on EURUSD here. So we'd be looking at 10 pip stops with chat, that's positive RR. That is positive RR. Crazy. Trade price action on EU? Yeah, I do. Can you explain US30, please? What's good, Manu? What do you mean explain US30? What about it? What about it? Bro. Can't be running that, Baron. In case people see it. Nah, you're good though, you're good. Chat, leave a like. Otherwise I'm gonna come find you, hunt you down. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. 4-hour flip, gold coming. It is. It is indeed. I can't take it though. Can't take it. What your idea for that? Nothing. Nothing. The 15 closed bullish above the range. I don't want to take that. The 4 hours now got a bottom wick. It's just. It could push down, but overall on the day I'm bullish. Sorry. So I'd rather wait and get buys. Rather wait and get buys and hold them for a bit longer. I'm looking to see if we can take this 15-minute fake out on EURUSD. We can definitely take it. It's just whether it forms correctly. When you find me, I'll take you out for a drink. Yeah, you got a deal, brother. You got a deal. Does that mean you haven't liked? I'm joking. Yeah, definitely there. Yeah, we need to run something soon, or at least this year. We'll do like a meet-up. We'll do drinks or something like that, or gym session even, with the Trendlines community. We'll do it somewhere. All right, maybe we can do a couple. Maybe when I fly out to Germany, we can do one there, and we can do one in London for the UK guys. When I'm in Italy, we can do one in Italy. I'm international, chat. I'm international. Deutschland. Genau. Yeah, we can do that. I'm quite often in Germany, so we can do that. Bro said Deutschland and then sent a Turkish flag in. Crazy. Come to France, we got good food. I thought you said you were Polish. Yeah, I'm gonna be in France in July. I'm gonna be in Monaco. Oh, That's Monaco, my bad. Yeah, I'm going to be in Monaco very, very soon. Oh, nice, I live there. If you come, we can meet. Yeah, let's run it. Let's run it. Nah, we can do that. You live in Monaco, though. That's crazy. You got bread. Come to Prague. It's the center of Europe. Jules, I thought you were English. I swear you're English. You just live in Prague. You're gonna play casino in Monaco. Oh, chat. I gotta go to what is it? Monte Carlo. Yeah, we gotta run that. There's so many guys in South Africa. Yeah, you're right. You're right. We'll definitely do South Africa at some point. Me and Jan were talking about it. We'll go there. Yeah, but I live in Czech. Crazy. That's fire, bro. I like that. I like that. My wife is from here. Crazy. That's cool, man. That's cool. It's gonna be me soon. Moving to some country because my wife's from there. Cape Town. Bro, what? There's so many South Africans in here. Crazy. Bro, you got something from YouTube if we spam emotions. What does that mean? Like, a thing that stops you from spamming? Yeah, I don't think it lets you spam, but... Gold playing, bro. I was looking at sales, but it broke the low last minute. Yeah, it wasn't good price action on gold. I'm not gonna lie. Not the best sales. 10 pips or whatever. Oh, money. If we spam emotions. Nah, I get money off views from YouTube, but not like comments. Pushing here, chat. No FOMO though, right? No FOMO. One 48 seconds to this closure on eurjpy here. Let's see if we get a top wick. Maybe we can take some sales to come down. Sorry, a bottom wick, I mean. I see you spamming those emotes. Crazy, I didn't even know what that does, but it just comes up on the screen. Mad. This 30 is about to close bearish. We would have been... Oh, crazy. Yeah, we probably would have been break even right now, but that is what it is. We deleted for a reason, right? We deleted for a reason. What did it do here? Yeah. I'm not the biggest fan. eurjpy also no bottom wick. Gold. No bottom wick really. I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna call it. This isn't for me in this range. I don't want to trade this range. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get some better setups and we'll catch a trade. Very, very possible that we do catch a trade tomorrow. I think there's going to be a lot of volume coming in to the market at the end of this week. So yeah, that is all good. What we'll do now is we'll play a little pick status. Hop in the Discord if you haven't already. I'm gonna be sending trades into the signals group. Obviously, if you want to join that, you can. No need, but yeah, maybe you need to start in TikTok this same stream. Yeah, I can stream on TikTok, right? I was thinking about this. Why don't I stream on TikTok as well? What do I need to do that? What's the platform called again? It's called what is it called? That lets you stream on multiple things, chat. What's that called? Streamlabs, is it? No. No, it's not Streamlabs. What is it? Someone tell me quick. Anyone know? Thanks, Dion. W stream as always. Appreciate you, bro. Tommy Zhang, what's good? W. Disturbed FX, love, bro, love. Thanks, Sam. Another great stream. Thanks, Adam in the Zoom. Appreciate it. Peace out, lads. Yeah, we're not finishing yet. We can play some pixels, but if you do want to dip, then fair enough. Just make sure you leave a like before you leave. I'm gonna play some pixels with chat. Nicholas, our summer, bro. He pops up the moment pixels comes on. Crazy. Where's Josh at as well? These guys, man. Right, we'll start with beans as always. Cool. What do you reckon, chat? Any guesses? Couldn't catch any trades. Yeah, me neither, bro. Me neither. Nicola picks, let us go. Now we have many different goats. Shell. Crazy guess. Good guess as well, man. Shell. It can't be spell. What could this be, chat? Bill? Can't be a P. I thought that too, but it can't be a P. Let me get the letters out on the bottom for you guys. Still, it can't be still. Oh, swill. Swill, that's it. Oh, it can't be that either. Skill. That's it, Ja. You got it, bro. The moment I saw that, I knew it. Good guess. Big dubs. Yeah, if you don't know how this game works, essentially, if there's green, there's a pixel from that letter down here at the bottom on it, and if it's red, then there's no pixel on it. So it's like Wordle, but a little bit, I don't know if it's more difficult or easier. Maybe easier. I don't know. But either way, we love it. My favorite game in the whole wide world. No clue what this word is. I don't know. I forgot you can stream on TikTok. I'll definitely do that though. 100%. Yeah, I'm going to do that where you can stream on 2 platforms at once. Canon. What a guess. Guy comes in with the craziest guesses. My brain has completely gone to mush, chat. Damon. Is that a word? It's a name, yeah, I thought so. You need to do that separate. What? The TikTok thing? That's not a word. Salmon's not a word. Salmon is spelled like that. Salon? Yeah, Salon's a good guess. Spion. Oh, Spion. What a goat. Dubs, Spion, dubs. Chat, that's going to be it for today. Appreciate you all very, very much. Thank you all for coming along to the stream. It was a good stream. Fortunately, we didn't get the trade that we wanted. Nothing played out quite right. But who cares about that? That's not why we're here, right? We're not here for the trades. We're here for the value. We also take trades too, obviously, but you know what I mean. Zoom, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. And yeah, other than that, guys, if you haven't already, leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're trading in New York, then be responsible, trade smart. Go follow my TikTok and join the giveaway on there. Just comment a question down below on the most recent post, and you'll be entered into the giveaway for free signals. Other than that, guys, that's going to be it. Catch you all in a bit. Have a great day. Peace out. Bye bye.